Welcome to Stylish Seniors, where timeless fashion meets confidence, sophistication, and personal expression. Today, we are celebrating one of the most enduring accessories in fashion history, pearls. At 60 and beyond, pearl accessories can bring an exquisite finishing touch to an outfit, creating a sense of elegance that feels polished without ever becoming overly formal. From delicate pearl earrings and classic necklaces to modern bracelets, brooches, and beautifully embellished accessories, pearls offer endless ways to elevate everyday style. The beauty of pearls is their versatility. They can complement a simple knit, refine a tailored ensemble, or add graceful contrast to a contemporary outfit. If you enjoy timeless fashion inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Stylish Seniors, like this video, and share your favorite pearl style in the comments below. In this video, we will explore sophisticated ways to wear pearls at 60 and beyond, while keeping your look modern, effortless, and distinctly your own. These elegant details prove that true luxury does not need to be loud. Sometimes, the smallest accessory can make the most memorable impression. Few accessories capture classic elegance quite like a pearl necklace. A single strand of perfectly chosen pearls can instantly bring refinement to a blouse, sweater, dress, or tailored jacket. For a graceful everyday appearance, choose a length and size that complement your neckline without overwhelming the rest of your outfit. For a more contemporary approach, consider layering pearl necklaces of different lengths or combining pearls with subtle gold or silver chains. Mixing textures can make a traditional accessory feel fresh and fashion-forward. A shorter pearl necklace can also create a beautiful focal point when paired with an open collar or a simple monochromatic ensemble. The secret to making a pearl necklace look modern is balance. Rather than allowing the pearls to dominate the entire outfit, let them become one beautifully considered element among quality fabrics, flattering silhouettes, and carefully selected accessories. This creates an impression of understated luxury that feels sophisticated at any age. Pearl earrings are among the easiest ways to introduce timeless elegance into your wardrobe. Classic studs offer a refined and versatile choice, while drop or dangle styles can create a slightly more dramatic effect for dinners, celebrations, and special occasions. Their soft, luminous appearance naturally draws attention toward the face while maintaining an elegant simplicity. When choosing pearl earrings, consider the overall character of your outfit. Minimalist pearl studs work beautifully with structured tailoring and casual knitwear, while larger pearls or sculptural settings can add personality to a sophisticated evening ensemble. Modern designs featuring irregular pearls can also provide a wonderful artistic twist on the traditional accessory. Pearl earrings can become a signature piece that works across seasons and occasions. Whether paired with a crisp white shirt, a luxurious cardigan, or an elegant evening dress, they communicate confidence without appearing as though you have tried too hard. Sometimes one beautifully chosen pair is all an outfit needs. Although pearls have a long history of classic glamour, they do not have to create an old-fashioned appearance. The key is pairing traditional pearl accessories with contemporary silhouettes and unexpected textures. Think pearls with relaxed tailoring, modern knitwear, denim, minimalist dresses, or beautifully cut jackets for a combination that feels current and sophisticated. You can also experiment with contrast. A refined pearl brooch against a structured blazer can create an artistic statement, while a pearl bracelet paired with a sleek watch can blend tradition with modern practicality. Even a simple handbag featuring pearl details can introduce luxury without requiring an entire outfit built around the accessory. Another elegant approach is to keep the color palette restrained. Neutral shades such as cream, ivory, beige, navy, charcoal, black, and soft gray allow pearls to stand out beautifully. When the clothing remains visually balanced, pearl accessories can provide that subtle touch of radiance that makes the entire ensemble feel thoughtfully styled. Creating a pearl collection does not require dozens of pieces. Start with a few versatile essentials that can work across different outfits and occasions. A classic necklace, elegant stud earrings, and a simple bracelet can provide an excellent foundation, while a distinctive brooch or pearl-accented handbag can gradually add more personality to the collection.